Exercise 6.2 Problem 10 Discussion. The government plans to develop a new industrial zone in an unused portion of land in a city. The shaded portion of the map shown on the right indicates the area of the new industrial zone. Find the area of the industrial zone. Right? So this is the new industrial zone. This is developed and they want us to calculate the area of this zone. Right? Fine. Now what do we need to do? Okay, so basically you need to, but here this is the old zone, I guess. So this dimensions are given. This triangle can be easily calculated. That is triangle CED, area of that can be calculated. Area of the triangle is half into base into height. So half base is 1 kilometer, height is 1.4. So half into base 1 into 1.4 will give us the area of the triangle CED. Right? So this can be calculated. Now what do we need to do? We need to show this triangle is similar to this triangle. If we can show that this is similar to this, then we can calculate the using the similarity triangle properties. That is, area of the similar triangles, ratio of the similar triangles is ratio of the square of the corresponding sides, because we have the corresponding sides. Here it is given 3 kilometer and this corresponding side is 1 kilometer. So from that square we can calculate the ratio of the two triangles, area of the two triangles, and we also know one triangle area, which means we can calculate the second triangle area. This is how the problem will be solved. So keep that in the mind. So first thing is we need to show that these two triangles are similar, right? So let's work on that. So given it's a dimension figure is given, we are asked to calculate the area of the new industrial zone. The formula hint actually is the AAA similarity criteria, and the ratio of the area of the triangles equal to ratio of the corresponding sides square. Okay. Now what will be the first step? We need to show this triangle is similar to this triangle. That is, triangle ABC is similar to triangle C, D and E. Right. Then after that, calculate the area of this triangle CED, that is half into base into height. The base is 1 kilometer, height is 1.5 kilometer. So this triangle can be calculated. Next, then use the similarity triangle properties. What is the similarity triangle properties? Area of the triangle ABC. Whenever two triangles are similar, the ratio of their areas equal to ratio of the corresponding sides. Okay, equal to square of the corresponding sides. So area of the triangle ABC, these are the two similar triangles, right? This one and this one. So the area of this triangle divided by area of this triangle will be 3 this side divided by this side, the square of that fraction. Right? This we know 3, this we know 1 kilometer. So which means the right side is known, and area of the triangle CDE, that is also known, that can be calculated, half into base into height, which was done in step 2. So only this is unknown, so which means we can calculate this value, right? Now we come to the solution. How will you show that these two triangles are similar? This angle, alternate angles, right, is equal to this angle. Am I right? Vertically opposite angles. Then DE is parallel to AB, right? Because these two roads are parallel, right? And then, which means alternate angles, that is angle D will be equal to angle B, or this angle will be equal to angle A will be equal to this angle. You got it? So basically all three angles are, this is equal to this, these two lines are parallel, therefore this angle, that is this angle and this angle are equal, this angle and this angle are equal. But by AAA criteria, only two angles need to be equal. Automatically the third angle will be equal. So we know these two angles are equal, and you can take angle A equal to angle E. Once this is there, two angles of two triangles are equal, which means by AAA criteria the two triangles are similar. Right? So this triangle and this triangle is similar. What's the next step? So first step we have done. What was the first step? We need to show the two triangles are similar. So step 1 is over. Now what is step 2? We need to calculate the area of this triangle. That is, what is the area of this triangle CED? Half into base into height. And what is the base? Base is 1 kilometer. What is the height? Height is 1.3 kilometer. So half into 1 into 1.4, that is 0.7 kilometer square. Second step is done. Third step, we'll have to use this ratio to calculate the area of the triangle ABC. When these two triangles are similar, correct? ABC and CD are similar, which means the ratio of their areas, that is area of ABC divided by area of CDE, will be equal to ratio of the corresponding sides, the square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. So what are the corresponding sides? AB and DE. Again the same question come, why you are taking only this, why this is also corresponding, right? AC and CD are corresponding sides, but we can't take that because we don't have any of these measurements, right? So we have only measurements for AB and they are corresponding sides, so it's better to take them. So the corresponding sides are 3 km and 1 km. So which means area of the triangle ABC divided by area of the triangle CD equal to AB by DE, that is 3 divided by 1 the whole square, that is 9. So the new industrial area will be equal to, now you know the ratio, so which means area of the triangle ABC, okay, you got it here. Let's go back. So area of the triangle ABC divided by area of the triangle CDE equal to 9, which means area of triangle ABC will be area of triangle CDE into 9, correct? But what is the area of triangle CDE? That is 0.7. So area of triangle ABC will be 9 into area of triangle CDE, that is 9 into 0.7, that is equal to 6.3. This is a mistake. Okay, 6.3 square kilometer square. That's the area of the new industrial area is 6.3 kilometer square. Okay, you got it? So I hope I made it clear. So let me just recap. So first step is you need to show these two triangles are similar, then find the area of this triangle, then using the similarity triangle properties, area of this triangle divided by this triangle will be ratio of the square of the ratio of the corresponding sides, that is 3 divided by 1. These are the corresponding sides, right? So 3 divided by 1 the whole square. From that equation you can calculate area of the new industrial zone, that is triangle ABC. Okay, so I hope I made it clear. If not, please go through this video one more time, it will become clear. Thanks for watching this video.